Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your AI agent with BigQuery. So there's only way of connecting your AI agent with BigQuery. You can use MCP Toolbox, and if you want to use any kind of MCP server, you can use MCP server as well. And we have a very easy way to connect our AI agent with BigQuery is using BigQuery connector. But this is little bit expensive. BigQuery connector is quite expensive because connection is little bit expensive. So if you not need any connection, then you can delete. I will show you how to delete connection, how to make connection. I will show you each and every single thing here. So first of all, I would like to talk about BigQuery connector. What is BigQuery connector and why it is very useful, and what we can do by the help of BigQuery connector. So by the help of BigQuery connector, you can see here we can insert, delete, update, and read operation on Google BigQuery data. That's what we can do, and we have some use cases of BigQuery connector. We can retrieve any specific data from BigQuery dataset based on user queries or agent logic. We can perform data analysis and generate report based on BigQuery data. That's what we can do. And we can store and manage large dataset for agent training and evaluation, and these are some core capabilities. We can go through this documentation, but my objective is to give demo and teach you how to make connection, how to connect your AI agent with BigQuery. That's my main objective. If you want to know more, you can go through this documentation, but I will teach you how to make connection here. So in order to connect your AI agent with BigQuery, first of all, you have to make a connection, and let me show you how to make connection. You can write connection here, and you can search for connection. Okay, and after, okay, you can come here. So you can go to integration connector, and inside integrated connector you can go to overview, and then you have to click on create new connection. I have already made a connection, so I'm not gonna make new connection, but I will show you how to make connection. You can select any region, and in connector detail you have to select BigQuery because you want to make BigQuery connection. If you want to make any other kind of connection, then you can mention other connection, but here if you want to connect with BigQuery, you have to mention BigQuery connector, and you have to mention one version here, and you have to give name, and here you have to mention your project ID, you have to mention your dataset ID. And if you know about BigQuery, then you know what's dataset ID, but if you do not have any idea about BigQuery, then let me show you where to get dataset ID. Let me show you. I hope you got it. You got each and every single thing whatever I have explained here. In authentication, you have to mention no authentication. If you want any kind of authentication, you will get some options. You will get three options here, and you can select any of these options. So if you want no authentication, you can select no authentication, and then you can create your connection. Your connection will be created. And how to get dataset ID, let me show you. In order to get dataset ID, you have to go to BigQuery. From here you can copy ID, and that will be your connection ID. That will be your connection ID. Your connection ID is only D81, so you do not need to copy ID. You just need to copy this, and that will be your connection ID. Not connection ID, that will be your data set. You do not need to mention connection ID here. That will be your data set ID, nothing else. You just need to mention D81. Whatever your data set is, that's what you have to mention. You do not need to mention project ID here. You just need to mention this, your data set, nothing else. You got my point. And after this you have to write some code. Let me show you code. After this you have to I have already explained all this thing. Inside application integration toolset, you have to mention your project and location and connection, everything you have to mention. And you have to mention data table, whatever data table you want to use with AI agent, and whatever data you want to fetch from any data table, you have to mention all those data table here. I have only two data table, or not have so many data table. That's why I have mentioned name of these two data table. If you have multiple data table, if you have so many data table, you can mention name of those data table inside that data set. So the thing is, you can perform operation only with one data set. You cannot connect with multiple data set, so you can connect with only one data set at a time. One AI agent can connect with only one data set. It's not possible to connect with multiple data set here. And you can make your AI agent, and you can use BigQuery tools. It is a tool, and after that you can write ADK web. And then you can see I have written one prompt here. So how many columns are there in patient table? And I got the output. We have only 7 columns in the patient table. Columns are age, arrival date, departure date, name, patient ID, satisfaction. So these are our columns name inside patient table. So we have only these columns. We do not have so many columns. Similarly, you can perform any other kind of operation. For example, if you want to insert any data, if you want to insert row, if you want to insert column, you can perform those kind of operation by the help of this AI agent, by the help of that tool, by the help of connector. You can perform these kind of operation easily. It's very easy to use, but one thing, this is very expensive. For example, RAG engine is very easy to use, but RAG engine is very expensive. So be careful.